Hi guys and welcome to TechBased. In this video I'm going to show you how to install the new screen recorder that you can encounter in Windows 11 in the dev channel and every other Windows 11 version. I'm going to show you a way in which you can install the new Snipping Tools app with the new recording functionality on any version of Windows 11. Before starting the video, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. So let's begin with the video. For those of you who don't know, the Snipping Tool app is a default app from Windows 11. It has an older version here on the beta channel because right now I'm using the beta channel of the Windows Insider program to prove to you that you can install this on any version of Windows 11, and we're just going to basically update this app with the version that we can encounter in the dev channel, and that is slowly rolling out to insiders. But of course this also works on the release preview channel and also on the main release. So what you're going to have to do, you're going to have to copy this product ID, that is the Snipping Tools product ID. You're going to have it in the article below in the video description. Just copy it into the store.rg-adguard.net, which is a website that can generate packages from the Microsoft Store. Here in the left side, select product ID, paste the product ID, and from here select fast, and then just press on this check mark. And you're going to notice that down below a list will be generated. What you're interested in is this one, Microsoft Screen Sketch, the version 2211.35 neutral.m6 bundle. You're going to have to download this package. You can either click on it to download it or right click and save link as, and then desktop if you want. And here you're going to notice that this cannot be downloaded securely. Just go ahead and click on keep because it is 100% safe. It is a package generated from the official Microsoft Store of Windows 11. Now what you need to do is to double click on this M6 package, and it's going to ask you, do you want to update Snipping Tool? I'm just going to click on update. It will install the required frameworks, and then after the installation is complete, it will launch the application. So basically this is all there is to it. This is all you have to do in order to update/install the new Snipping Tools app with the new recording function on any version of Windows 11. And after it finished installing, the new Snipping Tools app will open, and as you can see we have the recording function that will allow us to record. We can draw a shape, start recording, and the recording process is very simple. Of course the app is still in the development phase, so it has few options, few things that you can do, few settings for the recording section, but I think this is good that Microsoft is implementing a default recording tool in Windows 11. Don't forget to check out the article below in the video's description for the product ID and also for the link of the website in order to be able to generate this package and download it, of course, and install it on your computer, whether you are on the beta channel, dev, release preview, or even the main release. I hope this video was useful. If it was, please don't forget to leave a like below and also subscribe to the TechBased channel with the notification bell activated so that you won't miss any future uploads like this one. I was Emmanuel from TechBased. Until next time, have a nice day.